Good day everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lor and I post weekly cleaning videos along with affordable decor and organization solutions. In today's video, I will be doing an extreme bathroom clean with me. So if you're in need of some motivation for your bathroom cleaning day, you've come to the right place. Roll up your sleeve and let's dive right in. My first step before tackling any of my cleaning jobs is to go ahead and put on my Spotify playlist. Today I was in a gospel mood, so I decided to start off with some Travis Green. I then like to go ahead and remove all the items from within the shower, including the hanging shower caddy. This just allows for a much easier clean. I also like to tie the shower curtain in a knot or just go ahead and hang it over the shower curtain rod, for this also helps to allow for a much easier clean. Call me ghetto, but we have yet to replace our detachable shower head, and as a result I now use this mixing bowl from the dollar store just to kind of help rinse off the walls of our showers. I then go ahead and spray down the shower walls and the tub with the Scrubbing Bubbles bathroom cleaner with bleach, and I only use this once a week. However, I do use their daily shower cleaner on a daily basis after each shower, and that just helps to keep a nice clean shower, and it also helps to make sure that I don't have such a hard job to do at the end of the week. Now, as I allow for the Scrubbing Bubbles to just marinate and work its magic, I like to go ahead and spray in some of the Lysol Action Gel Toilet Bowl Cleaner and just allow for that to marinate some as I complete the cleaning of the shower and tub. Now, when cleaning out the shower and tub, I like to use an alternating combination of a scrubbing pad and a sponge. I feel that it just allows for me to really get into the nooks and crannies and especially into the grout of the tile so much better, and it just allows for a much better clean. I also make sure to thoroughly wipe down the plumbing fixtures as well. As you can tell, cleaning the shower and the tub takes me the longest when extreme cleaning the washroom, as I like to ensure that there's no residual water stains and also no possibility for mildew buildup. So I have this feature on my camera that I'm yet to figure out how to change, and it actually only allows for me to record videos in about 16-minute intervals, and then it just cuts out without any sort of warning. So it decided to do so just as I was about to clean the toilet bowl and also as I was about to clean the mirrors. So if it appears that those steps have been cut out, that is actually the reason why. I then like to take some Lysol wipes and wipe down the entire exterior of the toilet, including the handle and the toilet seats, and this just helps to ensure that the toilet bowl is clean and germ free. Now, this is another part of the toilet which is often overlooked. Have you ever went to go use somebody else's toilet and noticed that there's just pee stains and nasty stains all along the outside? Well, that is because they do not wipe it down. So especially having little Prince, he does not always get his urine into the toilet. I think it's just a boy thing, but oftentimes pee will trickle down to the toilet and even down to the floor of the toilet seat. So what I like to ensure is I go over not only just that exterior part of the toilet with some Lysol wipes, but I even go over the neighboring garbage bins, the toilet bowl cleaner, and even the tub, because sometimes, surprisingly, urine would even find its way over there. So this just helps to ensure that there's no room for bacteria to grow. So if it hasn't been too obvious by now, I'm pretty old school when it comes to my cleaning techniques. So with that being said, this is actually one of the only times where you'll actually catch me wearing some rubber gloves as I'm cleaning. Whenever I clean any toilets, I always use rubber gloves just because I do not play any games when it comes to bacteria, especially that of fecal matter. So when cleaning a toilet bowl, you will definitely catch me wearing some rubber gloves. But let me tell you, if my parents were to see this right now, they would definitely laugh after me. Now, like mostly anything else, I like to go over everything that I wipe down with some paper towel just to help ensure that there's no watermarks or any kind of residue, and also just to ensure that it's a nice, clean, polished look. So now that the toilet and the shower are both clean, I go ahead and I return all of the items back into the shower and I move on to the sink and the mirror. I then spray down the sink and plumbing fixture with some Lysol bathroom cleaning foam, and I just let this marinate for a little bit. And I usually let this marinate as I clean the mirrors, which I use some Windex, but that's actually when my camera decided to cut out on me, so that step just appears to have been missed. But then I just go ahead and again take the scrubbing pad as well as the sponge and just clean down the sink and the plumbing fixture as well as the countertop. And I also take some paper towel to go over it one more time just to ensure that it has a nice polished appearance. Another cleaning solution that can be used and that is super affordable and is great for targeting those stubborn water scum stains is just some warm water and vinegar. Yes, you guys know me, I love me some warm water and vinegar. It just works so perfectly for just about anything and it is super affordable. I then go ahead and do a quick reorganization of the shelving unit and just try to put everything in its place and just keep it looking nice and clean and tidy. Now winding down to the final few steps, I go ahead and I get me my favorite, my Dyson and my Swiffer wet jet, and I just tackle the floors. Now once the floors are dry, I go ahead and I place the area rugs back into the washroom, and I even place along just a regular white floor towel, and I place that down in front of the tub because I find that trying to use a regular area rug in that position, it just does not work, especially when the little ones are finished with their bath time. So the towel actually helps to absorb all excess water that much better. And I also wash the area rugs and the toilet seat cover on a weekly basis. So this completes today's extreme bathroom clean with me. I hope you all found this video to be very motivational, and I also hope that you're able to learn a couple tips and tricks if you haven't yet already. Let me know in the comments down below if you're interested in seeing me do any other videos. Thank you for tuning in. Stay blessed as always, and toodles for now.